Hello. So the day is over and so is my will to live. Today's day was no different than yesterday. Totally unproductive and waste of a day. Neither went to gym nor did I study, nor did I upskill, nor did I read anything. I didn't even do my skincare today. I woke up at 9 a.m. because apparently I wanted to watch the rocket launch of the Armatius 2 mission, and I was so lazy that I slept before that and I couldn't even watch that. I had to watch it after I woke up. So yeah, it's not happening. It's not happening. Uh, I am losing interest in this YouTube thing also. The documenting thing, I'm getting lazy in this. I didn't shoot half of my video today. I didn't shoot anything properly today. So yeah, that's fucked up, I know. Uh, I'm getting depressed again. Last time when I got depressed, it took me nearly 3 to 4 years of my life to get out of it, and here I am again in the same pit that I fought so hard to get out of. But here I am. I know just 8 days in the challenge, and I know there's a lot of time that I have, but um, it's it's not just happening, no. Uh, you know what's happening with me with the recording thing? I feel like I'll only record when I'm doing something productive, otherwise I won't record. Because if I record everything, my editing table is not gonna look very clean or very good. I if I reflect back on my day today, I had a lot of time that I could have used to study, but I just spent them scrolling Instagram like anyone else. My screen time has been increasing day by day, even more. By the way, in between, I just stopped using Instagram for like 2 or 3 months, and my life got so much better. You know. Uh, so yeah, that's all that's been happening. I mean, okay, so I just can't, just sit here and cry about it. Let's, plan an action. Let's go for an action plan, okay? So let's talk about the gym thing. If I'm realistically speaking, I'm waking up at 9. I just 8 to 9, between 8 to 9, I'm just awake. One of my parents take the dog to the walk in the morning, or if I get, you know, if I'm awake before that, I take him to the walk. And let's just say I'm waking up at 8:30. So anyways, um I think I should shift my gym timings to the morning instead of keep it hanging till evening, because I have this thing, like, I don't know what happens to me, like, if I have a thing, if I have a certain task at a certain point of time and day. For example, I have to go to doctor at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and even if I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, I'm not gonna do anything till 2 p.m. I have the tendency of not doing anything till 2 p.m. because I'm thinking the whole day is gonna go in there. I just dedicate my whole day to just one single task. That's one of my problems that I have to deal with. And yeah, so that's that, I guess. Um, we need an action plan. I think I have to start journaling like properly now, because obviously I'm not gonna share that personal journal of mine, because that's a little too private, and but I think that's gonna give me direction now. I have to start taking action, like small actions. Let's start with small actions now. Ki I'll just take small actions. I'll document them. Like, even if I study for 15 minutes, I think that's a win. It doesn't have to be perfect, like for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or you know a certain time, like 1 hour or 2 hour, or I have to hit every goal like gym, reading, and everything and all. Let's just try to hit okay, so from now on, I will decide 5 goals of mine in in the morning only, and by the end of the day, I'll check what else what all I could achieve out of those goals. It can be 5, it can be more, it can be less, it can be any number, but there will be a certain amount of goals that I will have to achieve in my challenge, in this challenge. I think that's the only way I can, make things happen. Because now, because currently the whole challenge is just about me recording myself, not doing nothing else. I think I need to have a purpose. Like I think the whole reason of me spiraling into depression or spiraling into this, what do you say, laziness, is I don't have a clear purpose. Yes, so that's it. Yeah, I think I need to define a purpose. So that's it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go for a sleepover with my friends. So I might not be able to record that and just that, but I'll try to record it. Okay. Yeah. So that's about it. Okay. So see you in my next video. And a bad start doesn't mean a bad end. So that's about it. Bye. Good night.